Fine. Indeed, there are some deaths that were reported. Your Honor, the permits that we are talking about that were issued by the county government have not been annexed, but are available for the court's inspection, need be, because the investigator is apprehensive that annexing them might reveal more information that could expose potential witnesses to investigations by others. This matter, as we know it right now, everyone is following up. The court estate is following up. Neighbors, friends are following up. So the investigator would like to reach these witnesses before anyone else does.
So the court is to require to have a look at them.
Yes, that's it. Right. We have a police fighter present in court. We have the investigator, and he also has a list. If the Honorable Court would like to look at those private comments, the officer is ready to find. Indeed, there are some deaths that were reported. Your Honor, the permits that we are talking about that were issued by the county government have not been annexed, but are available for the court's inspection, need be, because the investigator is apprehensive that annexing them might reveal more information that could expose potential witnesses to investigations by others. This matter, as we know it right now, everyone is following up. The court estate is following up. Neighbors, friends are following up. So the investigator would like to reach these witnesses before anyone else does.
So the court is to require to have a look at them.
Yes, that's it. Right. We have a police fighter present in court. We have the investigator, and he also has a list. If the Honorable Court would like to look at those